Hey, good people. Big Mo, the crypto line here. I just want to give you an update on Binance. I did mention last night when it was down, and they were going through that system issue where they were trying to recover from their backup database or their rsync database. Well, it looks like everything's back online. This is on the front page of their Twitter account, and so letting you know that the system upgrade is complete. And of course, they're apologizing. And there's a nice little bonus, 70% discount on trading fees for all those who stood by them during this time of crisis. Um, yeah, so they're letting you know when it was coming online regarding trading, grace period for cancellation of open orders, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, so they did let you know that it is back online and they are giving a discount. Here's the complete notice. Binance has completed its system upgrade, and we expect all trading activity to resume at 10 a.m. UTC. In the 60 minutes prior to the commencement of trading, I think that was 11 p.m. last night, if I recall, users will be able to cancel orders, process deposits, withdrawals, and use all other account-related functions. To show our gratitude for your unwavering support through the upgrade process, Binance will provide all users with a 70% discount on trading fees, as previously noted. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience, and your patience is greatly appreciated. Thank you for your continued support. Hey, we love you. Hugs and kisses, Binance team. So anyway, they're just letting you know they're back online. Man, that was a hell of an outage. Like I said, from what I could see, it was 24 hours. So here's the first message I can see on their Twitter page showing when it went down. So that's 7:34 p.m. on February 7th, and today is February 9th in the U.S. on the East Coast. So it was down, and so it came up last night sometime. So it was down for a good while. I want to say maybe 27 hours, if I'm looking at this right, 7:34 p.m., and it came up at 10 or 11 p.m. Because it said 10 a.m. UTC. So if I'm, based on those just giving you a rough idea of how long it was down. Okay, so yeah, so we talked about that, and so yes, I logged in and I was able to nose around, and I didn't do anything yet. But just letting you know that it is up. I'll be using it later today because I definitely want to pick up some Ripple and couple other things I've been looking at. The other thing I did notice, someone mentioned it to me and I hadn't really had a chance to check into it, is this Binance Info. So Binance Info, so here they talk about it a little bit. Binance is pleased to announce the beta launch of the Binance Info platform. Binance, and here's the link, info.binance.com. I'm going to click on that in a minute. Binance Info will provide users with coin token information, including basic info, up-to-date news, real-time price movements, social media, and community info. Content can be uploaded by users for a fee, payable only in a Binance bucks. I don't know what it stands for, but I mean it's their Binance token, BNB. During the beta period, this fee will be waived to help build up the initial database. We welcome any feedback and suggestions you may have to help improve the Binance Info platform. Hugs and kisses, Binance team. So this looks to be, from what I can see when I click on it, this kind of reminds you of CoinMarketCap. Kind of like that listing. It has the price, the market cap. You can sort by it's automatically sorted by market cap. The volume, supply, 24-hour change, max supply, and so let's take one, for example, like Tron. All right, so it tells you, this is kind of cool though, it tells you a little bit about it, if they have any news. Now, I was kind of expecting to see a chart right here, but, I guess you go back onto the exchange if you want to really see a chart. So this is their new thing called Binance Info. So I don't know, maybe it's a separate login. I don't know, I'll have to figure that out in a second. But, so yeah, so it looks like kind of like an offshoot or something similar to kind of CoinMarketCap. All right, well that's it, folks. That was just a quick update. I did, since I mentioned that it was down, I did want to let you know that it was back online. All right, so happy trading. Have a powerful day. Peace and God bless.